So right now the program behaves just like it did before. You'll notice we have two classes that inherit from each, or one inherits from the other one, and we'll both have this display method on it. So this is really cool. We can redefine functionality on a per class basis. I mean, it's really great that we can do that because it allows us to do a variety of interesting solutions. But wait a sec, what? Okay, guess what I did? We have an employee of Nelson.
What?
We have an employee Nelson equals new Nelson. Or employee Nelson equals new employee, which is nice, which is what we want. But if we were to have done this, which remember, this is valid. This is perfectly valid code because Nelson, an employee, is a person. So Nelson is a person. And so we can implicitly cast employees to people. But watch what happens. Does anybody kind of see what's going on right now? Or, okay, watch this. If I change this type to employee, fire up my debugger and hit F11, 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 notice it jumps down to line 25. Okay? Now, if I were to change this to person and hit F11, 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 now watch what happens when I hit F11 again. We jump up to line 15. So that's really not what we want because we're not getting polymorphism here. We're just getting a static invocation of a particular class member. Although employee is a person, when we use an employee as a person, right now we are just getting this behavior still. There's no way for us to override this behavior. So for example, let's say I have a method. In fact, let's do one even better. Let's say I have a list of people. Can anybody guess the output of this program? What's the output of this program? Come on. You guys have compilers in your heads, don't you?
Yes. But then I'm a freak.
Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and hit F5, and we see we have Dash Rainbow and LeKay Nelson. That's because it's invoking the person display, not the employee display. And the reason it's doing that is because we are doing what's called hiding.